check this out. So this is our peach from our tree, and you saw us pick it the other day. So just wanted to taste test to see how good it is. I can say it smells absolutely delicious, and I was trying to eat it before I showed you guys, but absolutely delicious. We actually put it in a brown paper bag in the pantry because it wasn't fully ready, but we had to pick it early because of the raccoons. So we're gonna taste it, and I'd like to slice it open, and ta-da! So it is. Now, it's one thing with organic stuff, you know, they go quickly. If you're not getting it right away, believe me, Limbo, I'll give you a little tiny piece. Do you want to taste? Tell me.
A really tiny piece.
Oh my gosh. It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
It's so sweet, you know, compared to what you get at the grocery store. They're not as big, but tell me, it's all natural.
And it's juicy.
It tastes. Oh, I heard. Oh, you want more? There you go. Right?
In terms of flavor, how would you describe it?
It's really sweet. Like, it's not forced. It's just really sweet. The texture is nice.
It has a slight tanginess to it.
Yeah, there's a little bit more tang
Yes.
than you'd probably find.
Yeah. And absolutely juicy.
I
would
love
say.
it.
Yeah.
So, there you have it. This is our peach from our tree.
And it does produce for us well here in Zone 9B. Probably fruiting from February to about June for us here. And however, sometimes the earlier crops, they do get damaged by the frost if we have a late if we have heavy freezing and stuff like that. And so usually it's between March, April if it permits, if the weather permits. Yeah, but this year the weather has been
It's not been bad.
Yeah.
And I was surprised to see them so early too. And I'm happy that we were able to get them before the raccoons did. So
and the fruit flies.
and the fruit flies, yeah. So if you want to see us try out some more for foods on our in our garden, you're welcome to like this video, share, subscribe for more content like this. And again, remember, you know, always eat healthy, eat fresh.
All right.
See you next time.
Thank you again. Next time on the Island Gardeners.